Hi children, good morning. Today we are moving on to the next topic, speed. And this is the last topic of the chapter. Okay, so before that we have to discuss about what is motion and what is rest. See, an object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its time and with respect to its surrounding. And an object is said to be in rest if it does not changes its position with respect to the time as well as its surrounding. So what is speed? Speed of an object or a person is defined as the distance covered by it in unit time. So we can say that it is the distance covered by that particular object. How much distance it is covering per unit time is calculated as the time. So we can find or calculate the speed by using the formula distance covered divided by time taken. Okay. And next one is what is the SI unit of speed? SI unit of speed is meter per second. See, we all know that distance covered is the measure of length, and the SI unit of length is, and the SI unit of time is second. So we can say that the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Of course, the centimeter per second and kilometer per hour are also used as the units of speed. For example, the moving train, moving vehicle, we are using kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the topic for this video, and this is the last topic of this chapter. Okay, so let us look what are the things that we have discussed in this chapter. Okay, first one is measurement of volume, measurement of density and speed. See, measurement of volume, that is measurement of volume of the regular solids by using the definite formulas. And what are the methods of finding the volume of the irregular solids? And we all know that the graduated cylinder or the measuring cans are we are using for finding the volume of the liquids, isn't it? So by making use of such items, that is the such devices, we are finding the volume of the irregular solids also. And what is the measurement of density? Density, we all know that it is the mass contained per unit volume. So by knowing the mass of the particular solid and the volume of that particular solid, we are finding the density of the solids. By using the formulas, we are finding the volume of the regular solids and applying it in the finding the density of the regular solids. And for the irregular solids, we are using the method of finding the volume of the irregular solids by using the graduated cylinder and measuring cylinders, everything. Okay, so two methods we have studied, that is density of irregular solid, which is heavier than water and is insoluble in water, and of course density of the irregular solids, which is lighter than water, that is in the case of a cork, which will always float on the water and it will not give the volume, that is volume change, it will not give the volume change. So we are using one stone and we are tying it with that of the cork and immersing in the water. So everything we have discussed in the previous videos also, isn't it? So these are the things that we have discussed. And last topic is speed. How we can find what is speed, that is the distance covered by an object per unit time is known as speed. And how to calculate the speed of the moving object, that is by using the formula distance covered divided by time taken. And what is the SI unit? It is meter per second, kilometer per hour also we are using, and centimeter per second. Okay, so these are the things that we have discussed in this chapter. I hope everyone understood the topics, and you have to go through the textbook, read the textbook thoroughly, understand the concept, and I will give you the follow-up activity, give reason. These are all things that you have to just try to find out the answers. First one is SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. We all know that density, the unit is kilogram per meter cube. How? That is, the formula for finding the density is mass by volume. That is the mass of the, that is SI unit of mass is kilogram, and SI unit of volume is meter cube. So the SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. And next one is volume of crystals of potash alum cannot be determined by immersing it into water taken in a graduated beaker. That you can find the answer. And next one is speed of car is more than the speed of a cyclist. Okay, so these are the follow-up activity. So everyone keep watching the videos, understand, study well, keep safe in your home. Thank you.